I'm here to interview my kuya concerning how typhoon is going here in Philippines, whether it's seasonal or it comes every time. Since I came here in Philippines, I've been hearing about typhoon. Kuya is about to throw more light on that. Let's hear from my kuya. My name is Prince Junior Ugo. Nice to meet you, sir.
Yeah. My name is
Sam, okay, sir, may we know your name?
My name is Jason.
Okay, sir. Sir, since I came here in Philippines, I've been hearing about typhoon.
Okay.
So, I want to know more details about that, if it's seasonal or it's having every time. So, can you throw more light on that, sir?
Well, usually typhoon comes every month, but you know, we have two seasons here in the Philippines. It's the dry season and the rainy season.
Okay, sir.
Now, the rainy season, usually there comes the typhoon. During January, we have some typhoon that come around,
Okay, sir.
and on the start of that month, the first letter of the alphabet, which is letter A,
Okay, sir.
there we derive the name of the typhoon. Usually the name of the typhoon is named after ladies or women, but nowadays they change it to whatever is more appropriate for that name.
Okay, sir.
So during January we have some typhoon, but not that frequent.
Okay, sir.
The start of the year. So after that comes February, and on the slot of February this month up to most probably April to May, that's the dry season,
Okay,
where
sir.
no much of the typhoon comes. But because of climate change,
Okay, sir.
oftentimes there are most probably one or two
Okay,
that
sir.
it's the Philippines.
Okay, sir.
Then after that, during May, where the onslaught of the rainy season starts,
Okay,
and
sir.
the rest of the year, monthly we do have some typhoon, sometimes two or three typhoons every month.
Okay, sir. Can we know the name of the typhoon in your dialect language, which is Tagalog?
Yeah, they oftentimes pick the name of the typhoon on Tagalog, which is the local dialect of the Philippines.
Okay, sir.
They sometimes name is Aurora. Say for example, the name of a person or a
Okay,
girl.
Okay, sir. Sir, this typhoon, can you remember the year it started in Philippines?
I don't remember actually the date
Okay,
when
sir.
they started naming those typhoons. But,
Okay, sir.
It's been a while. It's been a long time ago.
You have been experienced this typhoon since your tender age.
Yeah, when I had my memories before when I was a kid,
Okay, sir.
around when I'm 5 or 6 years old, like that, where I can recall.
Okay, sir. Well, I'm so much happy to hear this from you.
Yeah,
It's coming with heavy rain.
not all the time.
Okay, okay. So what's the disadvantage and the advantage of typhoon? Is it have any damages?
Well, the advantage of it is that farmers do sometimes rely on the rain because
Okay.
some part of the agricultural lands do not have irrigation, so they heavily rely on rain.
Okay, sir.
Now, on the other hand,
Disadvantage.
disadvantage of that is when you have a lot of rain falling in,
Okay,
it causes a lot of flooding.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes landslide, it causes destruction to properties, sometimes lives also.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Can you remind my audience your name again, sir? Once
Yeah, my
again.
name is Jason.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice meeting
It's
you.
my pleasure.